Info snippets to synovial joints. Synovial joints have something to do with the human body. In the human body are bones and something called cartilage. These bones and that cartilage seem to join at some point in the human body. At the points where bone or cartilage join is a joint capsule. The joint capsule at the point where some bone or some cartilage join has the state of being so-called fibrous. The bones have something called periosteum. The fibrous joint capsules join some bone or some cartilage, and then does the fibrous joint capsule continue with the periosteum. The synovial joint unites two bones. At some point in the human body, two individual bones seem to be united by this synovial joint to a union, which is not stiff. Even though two bones are connected, they can still move. A synovial joint seems to be something to connect two bones in a way that they are connected, but are still mobile. Inside of a synovial joint is synovial fluid. The joint capsule has on the outer layer a fibrous membrane, and on the inner layer the synovial membrane. In the inner layer, the synovial membrane is the synovial fluid, and the outer membrane is made of fibrous membrane. There are different types of joints in the human body, but the synovial joint is the most common. The synovial joint seems to be the whole thing of a joint capsule connecting two bones or two cartilages with a joint capsule at the point of contact of the two bones or the two cartilages, and which continues over the periosteum of a bone. The joint capsule is on the outer layer made of fibrous membrane, and on the inner layer out of something called synovial membrane, in which the synovial fluid is. The joint capsule joins the two bones or two cartilages in a way that they are connected, but not to the point that the connection is stiff, but that it is mobile. There are different types of synovial joints. Some allow more mobility than others. Some allow only gliding or sliding. Others movement is only possible in one direction, whereas others can let the bones move in basically all directions, whether forward, backwards or sideways, but that all in a way that the two bones are still connected. Examples of synovial joints are the elbows, the knees, the shoulders, the hips, or the carpal bones of a wrist.